guys, I'm Maria, also known as the Jesus Hippie Mommy. So today is Fun Friday. Earlier, Eli decided to bake cookies, and update on that, total fail. It's a learning experience, though. As with cooking, everything I always say, put your special ingredient, which is love, and he had a fun time making them. Unfortunately, he was disappointed that they didn't taste good, but he still had fun, so he's okay. Right now, he and Bethany, our 5-year-old, they were having fun. Five-year-olds were having fun playing video games, but now they are fighting. And then our 3-year-old is in the box of styrofoam making a mess. No, not right now. Again, always disclaimer, my videos are raw, live, non-edited. Baby's sleeping, I'm half asleep. But Rosabella received a box from Wonder Crate. These things come we order them through our charter school, or our charter school pays for them, and it's amazing. We're still doing a little bit of schooling, which we just have to follow their guidelines, step one with the scissors, and so yeah, we just have to follow the guidelines, California rules, and then just meet with the teacher and things like that. And I kind of tell them, to school here and there. We don't have a strict schedule yet, just because of the baby. I'm still kind of not all there yet. So now, let me turn it around for Rosabella to start opening her Wonder Crate. Bubble wrap, okay. Fun. A joke. Let me see. The front page, what does it say?
Okay, I'm gonna find one.
A joke. Our dog's over there drinking water. So loud. Okay.
Stephanie friends how you do this from okay, you really only need it 75. What? I don't understand that. Oh, it's like telling you about like grammar stuff.
Oh, good. It's not a funny joke book. Oh.
I found this lunchbox.
Ooh. Oh, that's fun. What is a box supposed to be? So it's a Wonder Crate. So I don't remember. It tickles your nose. It looks really good. Okay, so.
Name I am trait. Wait, what? Oh, it's like saying like I behave like this trait.
Your name, I am. Yeah, what's your trait?
My lip is literally right now.
What is this? Look.
Can I throw this up in the air and I'll do that?
Ready?
Wait, I'm gonna do it later.
Okay.
What
Wonder.
is
The
this?
trait that made them great. So, okay, this is talking about. So you read the traits, so huh? Gross. Oh, let me see. It's Lucille Vaughn. I love Lucy.
I like the ballpoint books.
I find it so interesting because, like, my husband is a lot like Lucy, and I am Ricky Ricardo. Yeah, they have to wear like that. Okay, so what is it that you're learning? So this is so the Wonder Crate that I remember getting it. Rosabella loves art. She's always liked art a lot. Anything she does, art she does.
Can I show them a picture? No, actually no. That's when we go to the thing, right?
Yes, so she's doing the
Art show.
an art show. She'll be in an art part of an art show for the homeschooling.
Oh gosh.
And
Wait, the mustache hair is falling out.
don't take it out.
I'm gonna
Don't
brush it.
and then so she'll have about how many 7 pieces of art that she's gonna be sharing.
More like 5.
Oh, 5. Why did I put 7? But so this is why I wanted her to do the Wonder Crate. So Wonder Crate says Queen of Comedy, Lucille Ball, and you. So she just has to read through it and then follow that, and we'll just get back at. I'll be sharing what she has learned on my Instagram.
I fucking tested those.
Ew, don't lick the hair. That's so gross. Okay, so that is all. So we'll be sharing that on Instagram.
While this is what we're gonna do when we eat now. Roll in the air.